this is just a quick walkthrough of the Life's a Journey album, which we have done a matching tutorial with. And if you'd like the PDF for the page measurements, etc., just contact us at CoolkatzCraft and we can email one out to you. So the front cover is here, pretty self-explanatory, your cruise ship, your planes, and one of the stickers used here. And then on the spine, okay, you've got decorative paper there and another of the stickers there. And I've actually left my back cover at the moment plain because I wasn't sure how much paper I had left, and I'm probably going to do a Franken page where you mix and match bits and pieces left from a paper collection. So that's that. This album, the cover size is 9 inches by 8.5. The pocket pages are 8 by 8 inches, and there's no extra die cutting involved in this. This is purely and simply straightforward cuts. So we open it up, and the front inside cover and the back inside cover mirror each other. And we've got a pocket here, and then we've also got a pocket here. And these are from the sticker pads. So on the front page, we've got a little tiny, decorative band across here. And then we lift the flap up here. You'll notice we've done the paper matching. Lift the flap up here, and then this is a larger pocket to pop everything in like this. So that's quite a good size pocket for storing things in. Page 2 and 3, they actually mirror each other, and they have pockets here, 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 and here. And you can see again, if you look here, we've done paper matching. We've continued the pattern of the paper going through. And more stickers added on. So page 4, this is a flip flap, it's cut into the page, so that just opens out, and then in here you've got another little pocket here, and then here I've actually stuck this ephemera card down as a pocket, but what you could do is put a photo slot die in there so you can just slot your photos in, or you could run a band along there, whichever you choose. Next page has horizontal pockets, so you've got one there, and one there. And if I take these out, you can see that again we've continued and matched the paper up here. In there. So the next one has a pull down flap here again. Again, we've got paper matching with the front cover and the back. This is a little tiny tuck in there. It's got double-sided tape behind it, and that's from one of the stickers. And then when you open up here, you've got a pocket here, you've got a pocket here, and you've also got a little tiny pocket there as well. So it's really just playing about having fun with things. On this page, this is called a flip flap, when the fold is placed actually onto the page, not at the edge of the page. We've got a little magnetic brad tag here, so that holds things in place like that. Open the page, and then here we've got an ephemera card here that's been stuck as a pocket, and then we've got another pocket here which will take different size cards. Next page, this is cut directly into a piece of the decorative paper. So that's the actual pattern, and then you can see where I cut around it. And this time I actually reinforced it at the back with black card. This page just has a straightforward vertical pocket, and then on the last page we've got a strip border pocket here, so that will take tags there, and then we've got a deeper one here like that. Okay, and then you've got your pockets at the back. So that's what we'll be making with the Life's a Journey day by day tutorial. Hope you can join us.